Yes, Ritu ma'am.
Yesterday we deliberated more onto the. Yeah. Am I audible?
Yeah. Continue, ma'am.
Yesterday we discussed about hypothesis at length, and also we also studied the roadmap of the research process, and till what are we going to study in this class and the other stuff.
Okay. Yeah.
But primarily on hypothesis.
Yeah, primarily on hypothesis, that how hypothesis, what actually hypothesis is, and we just finished off with our the research our research process particularly, and now we will be taking each and every research process individually, so that in order to get in depth in that. And Rituji, you just told me about that to distinguish between the analysis and interpretation part. So definitely we'll take couple of sessions on that too, and what analysis is and what interpretation. Yes, Yashashvi, you want to say something?
This was only that. So yesterday, yes, sir, we discussed about this and sir, like after research plan and design, there are several steps like collection of data, that so how analysis and interpretation or actual design, so that differentiate between these two we were about to say. So then roadmap of like at the end so submission and for forwarding a report. So we discussed all these things.
Yes. Yeah. Why, Priya Chaudhary, are you there?
Yeah.
Priya Chaudhary. Miss Priya Chaudhary. Priya Chaudhary not there.
Yes, sir.
On your video. That's also please on your videos. I have already told you to keep your videos on.
Sir, webcam not working.
Webcam not working. Priya, since when webcam is not working? This is 11th class I am taking today, and you are saying webcam still not working. Then what will happen? You should have got it corrected. No, I have told you have to make yourself on all the time when we are in the class. Okay, and please others also follow it. Otherwise, you may be marked absent. I've already told you before too, because traction has to be there. Observation has to be there. Okay. Priya, get it corrected by tomorrow only. Yes, Kamini Parekh, where are you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Your webcam is also not working.
No, sir, it's working. I just attended the class. I'm just here. Okay.
Devika Matan.
Next.
Raj Nimhal.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, on your webcam. बच्चों की तरह
Yes,
बोलना
sir.
पड़ता है सबको यार. अनंत कुमार जी, अनीता पुन्या, Devika Madan, where are you?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have already on the webcam.
Fine. Okay, so let us start with the today's class. So back to the research topic. First most thing is how we have to formulate the research when we are having some things in our mind, though we already have one session on it, but yeah, there are certain points which are to be noted. Okay, and which have to be kept in mind when you are thinking this problem. List also that what type of research question should be there. Okay, and it is applicable to all the domains, because whenever we are discussing anything, so it will be applicable equally to all the domains. So today we will be discussing more on how to formulate your research problem, how to select your research problem. In selection of your research problem again is one of the very important thing. So this is there are some points which are related to this formulation first, and then afterwards select what type of research problem will you be able to select. Let me just take you to my presentation part. Yeah, here we go. So when we are talking about the problem identification and selection and formulation, so the first most step, or you can say the primary step, is in the process of research is the selection of research problem. Because when we, until unless we have selected on what we will be doing research on, we cannot proceed further. And the researcher have to have a vast knowledge in that domain in which he is
Excuse me, sir.
involved. Not
Just
just say that
sir.
we can just start it from right from the initial one where we do not know anything. Because now, yeah, one question can be there from where to start. That is okay. But we cannot say we do not have any knowledge, we can't do anything about it. And so that should not be. So researcher has to have some knowledge from the literature review. I told you literature review is a not ending process at all. So it will start even beyond when we have taken birth. The literature review has started. We have started observing certain things and we have started taking knowledge out of it. And further, that knowledge we are using for our wisdom in order to justify various things. So these are the things that how we actually do. So when we are formally in the research part, then we formally just come up with that. Okay, what can be the what is the problem which I'm going to address, and the domain part of it, then only I'll be able to come on it. Okay, so and we discussed about the observation part itself, that what actually observation is. Okay, so with the help of these observation, with the help of these things, we will be having insight about the problem. So not only then when he has not means a researcher has to analyze the gaps at the present situation, and it has to put forward all those points in his proposal. Okay, so and for this he has to carry out an immense literature review. Discussions are to be done, and these all are a very important part of it. Right. So today's
Excuse
discussion
me, sir.
will
Sir,
be more.
excuse me.
Yeah. Yes,
सर
please.
प्लीज सबको म्यूट कर दीजिए बिकॉज डिस्टरबेंस आ रहा है.
अरे यार. Well, really means. No, let us see who is unmuted. Don't keep yourself. It is your duty, no, yaar. You should keep yourself muted.
Sumaira Rasool is unmuted because वहीं से आ रहा है. It is being shown.
Sumaira Rasool. Sumaira Rasool. Sumaira Rasool, are you there? Sumaira, I think someone else is attending your class. I can't see you.
Yes, sir.
Are you Sumaira Rasool?
Ji, sir. I am Sumaira Rasool from Jammu and Kashmir.
No, who will recognize you? You have put your mic also on forever so that everyone listens whatever is in the background.
Yes, sir. There was a technical issue in network. That is why I didn't.
Where is your video, Sumaira Rasool?
Yes, sir.
Where is your video? How should I know that you are Sumaira?
Yes, sir. 1 minute. Good morning, sir.
Sumaira ji, very good morning. Please mind it that by our acts, the entire class should not get disturbed. Okay, please take care in future. When you are entering the class, mute yourself and then enter. Okay, first most thing, you have entered late in the class. Secondly, your video was your audio was so on that it was creating disturbance for the whole class. This is not acceptable.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah, mind it, this will not be acceptable in future.
Okay, sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Fine. So let us start with the things. So I was discussing with you about that how a researcher has to go up with his research further, right? So let us just see. Now I have found these words. These words are golden words, you can say, and was written by Northrop in 1966. So inquiry starts only when something is unsatisfactory. Wow, how beautifully he has written that when you are not satisfied, you start reading, you start researching for that. So inquiry starts only when something, or I will also add, when someone is unsatisfactory, when traditional beliefs are inadequate or in question, when the facts necessary to resolve one uncertainties are not known, when the likely relevant hypotheses are not even imagined. What one has at the beginning of the inquiry is merely the problem. How beautifully he has defined it, means how philosophically he has entered into it. Okay, so when a person is unsatisfied, when a person is looking forward for something, when a person is having something in his mind that why it is happening, and he may be having some plan, don't know what, to improve the situations, to have a different situation, to and a reason to go in, to just look into the insight of it, then only he will start hypothesizing, or he will start imagining the things in the way he thinks that it will be good for the world. Okay, so from there itself we start the problem, or in the simple way we can say that the research problem defines the destination before starting the journey. So we imagine about, yesterday we were talking about hypothesis, if you remember. So we were talking about something which is imaginary, which we have thought of, which can be the anticipated results, which we have imagined that something will happen, something this will happen in the near future. I want to see it in this way. Okay, so we are actually thinking of the destination, and every journey, whenever we start, is having some destination, and then only we take the roadmap. If we will not be having a destination that where we have to reach, then everything else is totally in vain. So it is specified what to do, how to do, where to do, what are the outcomes of it. So these all are the things which have to be decided well in advance. Okay, so even if you see the insights of this definition, when the traditional beliefs are inadequate, it means the person has gone for an immense literature review. He has actually seen that the reasons of the problem which he is having in his mind are what, to what extent these have been addressed. So these are the things, these are the traditional beliefs means what? Traditional beliefs means the things which have already been taken care of. That what we call informally as a literature review. Why we review the literature? Because we just need to see what has been the solution in the recent past. And the solution what he is finding is inadequate. And now he wants something more in order to, just answer this particular question in such a way that that inadequacy gets resolved. Okay, so when the facts when the facts necessary to resolve one uncertainty are not known, so even sometimes by the time, because you might be knowing each and every second, knowledge is increasing. Even if you see the Google, for every second something is being uploaded to the internet, and internet, let me tell you, is a very small part where the knowledge is being created. So this has been told in Vedas also, that the knowledge has been created. It is the speed with which the knowledge has been created is more than that of the speed of a thought. And a person, and that's why it is said that there is no end to the knowledge. It is just like an ocean. You keep on drinking, it will never end. It will never end. So that's what it is the thing. That's why some people might have done the literature review, but may not have got the answer to the uncertainties which have been, which are to be addressed. And that's why the problem is still unresolved. And because those things are not known to that person, to those researchers who have already done it, or they might not have seen the angle with which we want to see it. We as a researcher want to see it. So when what next it says, when the likely relevant hypotheses are not imagined. So the imagination with which you are imagining the things, the other persons or the other people of whom literature review you are doing may not have imagined in it in that way in which you want to imagine. That's why your destination is something different from their destination, and they have already achieved their destinations. But there is something which you want to achieve and which is totally unique and which is totally different from what they have already achieved. So what one has at the beginning of the inquiry is merely a problem. It's just a problem because it has not been addressed, it has not been resolved, it has not been taken care of, or otherwise there is no adequate knowledge in order to, you can say, substantiate that problem. And that's why we are going with it. So if you imagine this in this form, you can means there has not been a proper definition of the problem. The problem has not yet been defined properly. And the researcher is progressing in order to define the problem. The formulation of research problem is not just finding a topic with our area of interest. No, it's not like that. What will be that we have discussed on that day, that the area in which we are interested, there are various point of view of seeing. I just gave you the example of a broken road in which there are a lot of holes. So there can be a various point of view. A civil engineer will see a point of view, okay, what cement has been used. A socialist will see a point of view, oh, there can be more accidents if this has not been mended properly. The legal person will see it from the point of view that toll people are charging so much of toll charges and why they are not at all implemented. So there is a legal point in it. Is there any law in order to just address this particular type of thing? So he will think it from that point of view. But the thing is that the interest of our area of interest is okay, but is that only the thing with which we are proceeding further with it? Or there can be other point of views which are more important and have to be addressed. So sometimes we just do it, we just formulate the research problem in just not in order to just have because it is our topic of interest, but we have to remodel it, reshape it. We have to reconstruct it in such a way so that it fits in with our problem. So if on the basis of there is a data, on the basis of data, we have some situation, because we have to just see this situation on the basis of this, and we have to have a problem statement. Now what the thing is, you have to formulate the problem on the basis of the situation, and the situation has data is what is not the thing which you have already collected. Data is the existing data on the basis of which the situation is there. You have analyzed the situation on the basis of the data, that what is called literature review. And now you have formulated the problem, and the problem statement should fit in. The implementation of the solution should fit in at least to some extent to the situation or to some extent to the problem. Now, if you see over here deliberately, can you see my cursor on the screen? Yes, can you see my cursor on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you see this particular gap? This particular gap, if I fit this problem over there, at least this particular problem will be solved. I will be able to address at least this particular gap with this problem. But there will be again remaining problem. Statement means my problem may not be satisfied fully, because I want a complete peace. I am a human being. I want an entire happiness. I can't achieve it, but at least to some extent I can do an effort in order to achieve that happiness. If unhappiness is a problem of the problem statement now, which is a problem for everyone in the world, and this will remain a problem unless we find a solution to it. Anyways, I'm going more philosophical. So what the thing is, if this, I will be able to satisfy only this portion of the problem. Only this portion of the problem I'll be able to satisfy with the help of this this particular problem statement which I'm having. Okay, so what I have to do. I have to remodel, reshape, reconstruct the facts and the theories and the hypothesis in such a way that I will try to fit in as much as possible. And what will happen to the remaining? The question is this. And the situation which the shape of the situation which you are seeing keeps on changing with the time. Am I correct or not? And accordingly, your problem statement will also keep on changing along according to the time. And we have to find a solution to the extent we will be able to fulfill. It means that the entire problem cannot be resolved at one instance. You can only focus on certain portion of that problem, and that's why we say that we start from the generalization and we move towards the focus for addressing the problem of this problem in case of research. Okay, so this is how we actually I have just imagined it in this way. I also found this this particular graph in one of the book. So I this particular diagram. So I thought I should just tell you in this way, and it has actually generated certain ideas in my mind, which I have just now shared with you. Okay, so this is something which is related to the implementation of the problem, or you can say the problem solution. And what we can do is we can visualize this process like a magician magic box. What happens in the magician magic box? There is a box. So when he opens the box, there is another box in it. Again, when he opens it, there again there is another box, and we keep on digging. And till we get that precious thing in the entire core of it. So that what is the process of research? We keep on going with finding something, and until unless we get inside the core of it, we cannot just stop ourselves. And actually what happens, we become more curious. When we keep on opening the boxes, we become more curious. Okay, what will be there inside? Okay, again a box. Okay, fine. There has to be something inside. So we will try to go in depth of the small box even, and we would like to take out the core out of it. Though that precious thing, which is a solution for us, which is a solution which will give me a satisfaction, that I would like to just go and keep on digging and try to find that particular thing which is in the innermost core of the boxes, or innermost core of the research. That's why we keep on removing the pet. That's why it is said, our president says it in the way that there is some unfolding, or you can say there is something uncovering of the subject rather than covering the syllabus. And here we are trying to put our attempt in order to uncover the things in order to reach to the core. So in the same way, we start in the research with the big domain, and we narrow it down to smaller pieces and finally get into the core to obtain the real research problem. So that is how we proceed further with it. Okay, so let us just do one thing, one you can say a case study type of discussion. Let us have that now. Okay, so let us just assume that, and this is a problem everywhere, that consumption of alcohol school children is a problem. Do you think it's a problem? Yes. Do we think that it is a problem?
Yes,
The consumption of alcohol by the school
Yes.
children is a problem?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes,
It's
sir.
a
Yes,
problem.
So what can be
Definitely,
the
it's a
probable
problem.
solution for this? How
Yes,
will
sir,
you
that
resolve
is a
this? So
problem.
this is a problem I have given, because with irrespective of all the domains, we all are teachers or going to be the teachers, right? And now this is a problem, maybe in our colleges, maybe in our school, maybe in the colleges, this drug addiction is one of the problem. You can say, you can just, if you lower it down, it can be a problem in the schools, that in schools also in 11th and 12th class, from the 9th class itself, the students are consuming alcohol, and sometimes in the school time itself they just consume the alcohol. So what can be the let us just formulate a theory first regarding this. What is the theory in this consumption? See, I hope this is clear to you, that what actually the problem is, that students are consuming alcohol, and this consumption of alcohol further has created a problem in the society itself, to the health of the students, also to the well-being of that university or college also where we are studying, where the other students are also studying. So how can we proceed further in order to see it? So this is one of the social problem, we can say it is there. So how will you proceed further? Anyone from you, please? Can we narrow it down to a hypothesis? Or what should we research on? What should be our criteria for going into the insights of it? If anyone can tell me. Yeah.
So first of all, I think so selling should stop, like for this age of. So
Yes,
I won't
yes.
give them this. So if this age student buy anything, so then I think this should be stopped. Could be stopped to some extent.
A bit louder, please. Maya, where are you?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Maya.
Sir, as Yashashvi said, age is a factor. Before selling, nowadays they check the identity card, but at few shops, these rules are not followed properly. So I guess there has to be a strict rule wherein they have to check if they have any doubt that these kids are not above 18. And secondly, even if they are not buying, some of their friends who are elder, they could buy and give it to them. So in that case, before entering the school or the university, their bags and everything should be checked. Whomever they feel that yeah, this person is doing these things.
Okay.
So there has to be a checking of their bags and personal things.
Right. Can we have the economic point of view of this? That how students are, see if that is okay, how the students are buying the things from the pocket money which has been given to them by their parents.
True.
Right? And we cannot stop parents to give the pocket money. Yeah, Jayati, you want to say something?
Sir, I guess कि पहले guidance शुरू होती है, like parents और teachers should tell what is wrong, what is right, और उसके बाद ये चीज सेलिंग पे और पॉकेट मनी पर आती है. लाइक एक बार तो किसी भी ग्रोइंग एज के बच्चे को बताना पड़ेगा ना कि क्या सही है क्या गलत है. आई जस्ट वांट टू रिलेट बाय कोरोना आल्सो, लाइक सर एक वी से कि इंडिया में लिटरेसी रेट इज 76% और एक बेसिक मास्क को लेकर हमें फाइन लगाना पड़ रहा है. एक बहुत बेसिक सी चीज है, उसके लिए भी हमको.
वेरी गुड Jyoti, so you have come up to a theory that increase in the social awareness
exactly
can reduce the consumption of the alcohol amongst the students. So this is
एक अवेयरनेस जरूरी है. एग्जैक्टली एक अवेयरनेस जरूरी है.
Very good, Jyoti. This is the good theory you have come up with, that increasing awareness regarding these things or increasing in the ethics in the education can reduce so this is a theory, right? This theory you have got. Now what can be the research question out of it, Jayati?
Sir, research question out of it is I have to think about it. What can be the research question?
Without thinking, Jayati, you cannot say anything, because this is we are talking of. Now we are now have started from the generalization to the focus of it. Now the question which you are thinking, you keep thinking, Jayati, right? I will get back to you.
Okay.
This is one of the teaching part of it, right? The teacher's perspective. I have just now, Jayati has taken another way. Fine, Jayati, you are correct at your place. Go ahead. Now, I was just talking about the economic point of view. Okay. So, my theory says that if the government increases the price of the liquor and these people are having limited, you can say, pocket money. So, can there be any means, see what my theory is that increase in price.
Sir, I just want to interrupt in this. Yeah, don't you think कि अगर
your point is on teaching point, so I will
no sir, आपने जो चीज बोला ना कि जैसे अगर उनकी पॉकेट मनी लिमिटेड है और हम अल्कोहल का प्राइस बढ़ा देंगे, तो सर अगर जिसको आदत लगी हुई है तो आपको नहीं लगता वो क्राइम कमिट करेगा उस पैसे को लेने के लिए?
This is what it is. अभी इस पे आते हैं. अभी you start. I will ask you the research question. Now
Okay.
here, अभी देखो what Jayati has just not done. She has done one mistake. I told her to just go and dig. Actually, after digging certain portion, she has started going horizontally. Will she reach the core? She will not. Jayati, you got my point? So your theory is, Jayati, this happens when we do research. This ये जो गूगल बाबा है ना, गूगलेश्वर महादेव, ये आपको बहुत डिस्ट्रैक्ट करने वाले हैं. हाँ. Once you get into it, na, you will start thinking on the other point of view, and you lost your concentration.
Original.
That's what lively happened in the case of Jayati. I have told her to just think of the research problem, or you can. I asked you the research question, Jayati, and you were
Yes.
saying, sir, मुझे इसको
I
सोचना
got your
पड़ेगा."
point.
तो अभी क्योंकि वो है सोशल पॉइंट, राइट? सोशल पॉइंट भी नहीं, वो एक एजुकेशनल पॉइंट है, राइट? अवेयरनेस, एजुकेशनल पॉइंट. So that is different. Now I am talking of economic point, right? Anyone from economics? Yeah, Maya, you are also you are also interested from the point of view of economics too, right? So economic point of view, if you see, then my theory is increase in price may reduce the demand. ये तो मालूम है ना, ये तो theory है ही है. So theory is this. Now how would I be able to applicable this theory in my research question? So my research question, I'm giving you the hint. Okay, so there will be another aspect which you may have to think. My research question is, will price hike or increase in price lowers the consumption of the alcohol among the school children? So this will be my research question. So if I increase the price, will there be lowering of now as soon as I have given this research question, I have also given the variables. Haven't I given the variables? Price and demand. Okay, price of what? Price of the alcohol. If I increase the price of the alcohol, the consumption of alcohol will reduce. So I have given two variables also. So from here, the other thing starts. Now further thing, one more aspect of it is that it will give revenue to the government, right? So it will increase the taxation to the for the government. Okay, so my hypothesis again is based on this, right? So is increase in price reduces the consumption. So my hypothesis is price increase reduces the consumption of the alcohol for school children. Now there are other factors also which are equally important. Okay, that we may consider. So this is how we just start from a domain. Then we come on the theory which is already there, or we may formulate our own theory, and then we come to the research question and then to the hypothesis. So this is the way. Okay. Now here again, what Jayati has also raised one big question to this is that what will happen if the price is increased and those students who are having a habit of doing this, won't there be another methods of doing you can say means doing some crime, or they may find some other ways to increase their you can say money in order to purchase the liquor. So won't it be possible that if we increase the price, so in order to achieve that, there will be more crime in the society? Remember the shape. Remember the shape of the research problem and the situation I have given you. It is not straight. Our data was in the shape of a triangle. We can recognize. What was the shape of the situation? Totally different. And what was the problem statement? Problem statement now over here. What we are focusing on? We are focusing on our objective, our problem statement. Rest of the things will be the scope of the future study. Or you can say these all things which cannot be addressed at one time may open other people to just study the things from their point of views. Yes, Jayati, I hope you have sufficiently thought of your research question. Yes, Jayati, what will be the research question in that situation?
Sir, in my case, what I have asked, like, what can be more ways to create the awareness? Like, what is good, what is bad? We need to look for the ways. What sort of ways or we can create the awareness among these teenagers?
So the research question will be, will the change in the curriculum or social portion lowers the consumption of alcohol amongst the adolescent people? This can be one of the research question in this situation. Okay, now in order to have this research question, you have to see that what are the existing literature students are studying in the schools. Is it already comprising of it and still it is happening? Then you have to mold your research question and the problem, because the problem is to some extent has been addressed, means an attempt has been made in order to address. It may not have got addressed properly, that is different. So there can be some other reasons that why still students are consuming alcohol in their schools. Getting my point or not? So there can be certain things which may inculcate. So you have to have a critical eye. You have to have, and this happens only when you are able to, understand, or you have discussed these things. Yeah, there were a lot of hands raised, and again it has been lowered. I can see only Bhuvnesh ji is there. Can we have a discussion on this? Yeah, I would like to hear from you guys. Yeah, come on, please. Yes, yes, yeah, Bhuvnesh sir.
Yes, sir.
Please tell, sir.
Sir, my one of the thought is that we should check from where the idea has come to drink in the mind of a child.
Yes. Now you are going a step psychological. Now see, we have seen a social view, we have seen an economic view. Now see the psychological view also.
Second thing is, sir, rather to increase the cost, we can ban the wine.
Yes. Yeah, banning the wine in that area may have other repercussion also. What will happen to the revenue of the government?
So
sir, I hope you are not
revenue should not be at the cost of the society or the health issue of the human beings.
Are you from Gujarat, sir?
No, sir, I am from Rajasthan, Jodhpur.
Okay, you are from Rajasthan, no, sir?
Jodhpur, so and that too Mathur, and the community and a big user of the drink. The community is big user of this drinking, sir. But I am not using.
No, that is okay. But why I ask this is that because Gujarat has already implemented the model at the cost of the revenue, because they were having some alternate state. They have done it.
That is true, sir.
Yeah, you are very correct, sir. So there are various point of views. Yes, Deepak Sharma ji want to say.
Prime requirement not to increase or generate the revenue. Prime requirement is to save and healthguard the society and human beings.
Yeah. Now see what Bhuvnesh ji has said is another part of the situation. The situation is, again, I have told you the shape of the situation totally weird, totally different. So he may be talking about some other part of the situation also. Okay, so if we are trying to see that, so we have to collect the data according to that situation. Okay, yes, sir. Deepak Sharma ji want to say something?
Yes, sir. So my suggestion is that currently the students usually get the pocket money in cash. Okay, so parents can't see where they are spending cash. So if parents stop giving the cash, they will give them the digital money or the credit cards. The same statement will go to the parents. Okay, they can check where they're not even on liquor. If they are spending on something else also which is wrong, the parents can check from their balance sheet and everything, because the money is theirs. Okay, and the liquor shop should ban, the government should ban accepting the cash at liquor shop. Okay, the liquor shop will not accept the cash. Yes,
hold on, Deepak ji. Where is Manoj ji? Is he there in the class today? Blockchain accounting is having a solution to this.
Okay.
Blockchain technology is having a solution to this, what you are saying. Manoj sir, are you there? Nahi hai aaj.
Nahi hai,
otherwise, this can be one of the very good implementation of the blockchain technology. That you will be able to identify the transaction with its number, that how and where it has been created. So when he will be delivering that expert lecture, na sir, you just listen it carefully, you will get your answer. Very correct,
Sure.
very good. So this is again a one point of view. Yeah, Anupama Verma. Thank you, Deepak. Anupama Verma ji. अनुपमा जी नहीं है क्या? दीपिका?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Anupama.
Yes, sir. As many of friends told about social awareness, my point is that yes, social awareness is already running by government and many organizations, NGOs, and many of these things. But I think self-awareness is also important. If there is no self-awareness, we won't be able to stop the drinkers who want to drink or whatever. So if we increase the cost also, they will go to the shop, they will buy it. So I think self-awareness is important, much more important.
Self-awareness is one of the points which has to be inculcated, which Jayati told about, right? So you are also very correct regarding the self-awareness part. Yeah, Deepika?
Good morning, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
good morning, sir. Sir,
Yes.
the topic we were talking was consumption of alcohol is a problem. Then we said that increase in price leads to decrease in consumption. So on the other hand, can we also say that if instead of we saying increase in price, what happens when we only increase the price? Still, it may be accessible to students because parents will still give them the money. For them, it is not hampering. But if we say decrease in purchasing power, then it will decrease the consumption because parents themselves cannot afford. Economy itself is down, so naturally the money available or a disposable income in the hands of the parents to give the children, that will only decrease, and such habits will automatically not have much money to be children will not have.
Very correct.
So
Very correct, Deepika. Now what is there is now, see another point of view. Now when we are addressing it, now sometimes what happens, we try to address some problem in order to create new problems. Let me give you an example. Recently happened that internet will be stopped because police exam is going on. Arey, what the hell, is this a solution? Because police exam is going on or other exams in the state is going on, state government is not at all able to control those things, and that's why they will stop the internet for the entire state for 1 or 2 days. Is this a solution, you tell me? This is not a solution. This is a problem. This is again a problem. There will be a lot of problem in online banking, online things, and how the banking system will work, how the other payments will happen. The people, those who are sitting in home during this lockdown period, they are having some entertainment ways. They all will be hampered. So what Deepika just now told is that in order to address one problem, we should not create other problem. This is also one of the things which we should consider. Yeah, Ruma Saha. Ruma.
Yes, sir. Sir, on this, I want to add, along with Jayati ma'am, that awareness is required, and not just through the educational institute, but also through media, because this younger generation do follow a lot their, heroes, and there is fan following. So if this celebrity
Ruma,
and the
from,
media.
Journalism?
Yes.
See the journalism point of view also over here. So
Yeah. Media involvement is required for creating awareness effectively.
Excellent. So
if we take the incident of corona awareness among the Indian people, we see how media involvement was there. Also, there was a point of misinformation to some extent, but that has also been checked nowadays. So
very correct. Very correct. Yes, Jaskaran Singh, today after a very long time he has joined the class. Yes, Jaskaran, we would like to see you.
Yes, sir. So I have a different point of view. If we look at from bird's eye view, what I find that we need to follow a carrot and stick policy. Okay. So stick is regulation, stick is banning, stick is you increase the taxes, stick is you decrease the demand. Incentive is on other side, the cultural aspect of it, why the children are attracted towards drinking. when Ma'am Ruma ma'am was saying that celebrities are endorsing. So we did it. There cannot be one solution to it. It's a very complex issue. So we need to have a bird's eye view: cultural, economical, sociological, psychological.
That's what the thing is. Yeah, Jaskaran, I think you joined the class late, I suppose.
No, sir.
We are actually talking about. See, that's why when in the beginning of the class, I showed one. You can say just a moment. Let me just show it again to you guys. This was the situation, right? The problem, the situation looked like this, right? And the problem is like this. So you find only one portion of the problem statement to fit in the situation. Rest all is the scope of the future study, right? So if we see it from the point, and that's how we formulate the problem, and that's how we implement the solution, right? So this was the thing which we have discussed at that time, Jaskaran, right? So now what the thing is, Jaskaran, here itself, when we are talking of research, when we are focusing on the, you can say, the research question or the hypothesis, we are moving from generalization to specification. So in one research, you can say thesis, or in one research area, you cannot address all the problems. So the remaining problem still remains unaddressed. No problem, hardly matters, because that will be the scope of future study. Somebody else will do it. Right. So that is how it is. Yeah, Ritu ma'am, the final marks from your side.
I was just wondering the way we started this research program on the day one, when you said that everything has to be collaborative and multidisciplinary. So I guess the moment you said this is a research, there could be this problem, and when everybody started popping up with their ideas, I was just reminded of the same thing, that multidisciplines are definitely required. But I have a question that how do we find out that which discipline is more relevant and more appropriate to address this problem? Whether psychology, whether sociology, economy, or which discipline should take this up?
So Rituji, a very difficult question, but I have a very simple answer to it. It totally depends on our own domain. For me, engineering might be I can forgo it because it's not my domain, it's not my interest. Now here comes the area of interest. So wherever you are interested in, the domain knowledge which you are in. Okay, so one problem which we have not seen from the engineer's point of view, if you see, can engineers develop some because this is something alcohol which is being developed, the commodity is like that. Can they develop some alcohol which can be consumed by the children? Still we call it as alcohol. Never thought of. Again, I'm talking something unsocial, but that type of thing can be there. So can there be some mixing and dicing of the things that the one more alcohol, if we just bring up, it may refresh the mind? I don't know. But this can be one of the engineer's point of view. Now, for me, for my point of view, suppose I am an economist. So I will think it from the economic point of view. So every point of view is equally important. That's why I told all of you to collaborate. Why? Because everyone will be having their own different point of views. And when you are having your own different point of views and when you collaborate together, you can find multiple solutions to the people. Why? This is a limitation of the research, because one person can go for only one thing. But when there are collaborative minds, you can find multiple solutions of the same problem because the point of views are totally different. That's what is the beauty of the research. And that is the beauty of the collaboration which I proposed on the very first day. People were not "Arey ye kya karwa rahe Sardar ji?" They were just having this, that ye kyun kar rahe hum log. Now I think by the time when it will pass, now you will be having a different point of views to see the same problem, and you will be having multiple papers to write for that. So one collaboration will result in not one, but number of participants in a collaboration. It will result in that much time, number of papers, I suppose, because everyone is having a different point of view. So let us proceed further now. I will conclude it. So I'm just again going to my slide. OK, so up to here we have gone with. Now we have understood that how and why and what. So what again, there are 5 W's of a research problem which we must we must be having answer of. First is, what is my research? Second, why do I want to do this research? Third, who are my research participants? Fourth, where I am going to do this research. And fifth is when I'm going to do this research, or you can say the time relevance or the time importance. Now, again, there is one assignment for all of you. You all have collaborated together. OK, now I will float this assignment through Teams also. You have to address these 5 questions from the point of view of your research problem, which you might have, I think you might have identified by the time. And if you have not identified, you are having this week to identify the research problem, whatever you will be doing in the collaborative research or research problems which you have found or you are trying to address in your collaborative research, because I have told you there can be multiple perspectives. So these all 5 questions, there have to be answers to this. Sorry. So you have to answer these 5 questions in the light of the research problem which you have identified. Further, if we talk about the identification of the research problem, so research problem identification, I have already told you before also, it is just like opening a magical box. Or here, if I just see it from the point of view of, it is just like hunting a treasure. So if a treasure is there, we want to hunt it, what we have to do? We have to just, and we do not know the shape of it. We do not know the size of it. And we do not know, and what these shapes, these size, sometimes it is unknown. So we have no idea about it. These shapes, these size are the research topics or research areas in which we want to do our research in. OK, and if there is no shape, it is a shapeless one, as I have just now told you. I don't know. So because we don't know about it, there will be no, we might be having no idea about it. So a researcher has to start from the outside field and he has to slowly enter it. Now see this. Now this is a research problem at the core of it. And the researcher is just revolving, kahan se khaun, kahan se start karun, kidhar se jaun. Okay. So where to start is one of the thing, and how and what the answer to this is that he has to reach the core. And then he has to try to understand the core and then move out of the surface. So he has to actually dig inside. So from anywhere he can start, or from wherever he get a clue, and this clue will be given to him by the literature review, literature survey, or you can say knowledge gathering, or you can say interview or something like that. He will get some clue out of it and he has to dig inside it. He has to go deep inside it, and then and what will help him? If it is something money consuming, the scholarship amount will help him out, or he has to then understand the problem. He has to just, you can say the support from the university. These all things will help him out to understand. Then he has to understand the problem and the tools and techniques and method to address it, methods to, just identify it and address it for all. And then again, he has to dig this problem out. He has to keep on doing hard work, and then he has to analyze the problem. He has to trace, and then afterwards he must go for some publication, from patents, from some rewards, and then it will be. And when these are there, then we can say that research is complete in one or the other aspect. So this is the way. So how we will be able to proceed further with this? So we can say that we have already gone with the 5 Ws, right? Now there has to be a feasibility check. So this is a checklist which you can see. So is the problem of current interest? Will the research result have a social, educational, or a scientific value? Whatever I am just going to do. So this checklist has to be prepared, that our result, and you have to think it unbiased, because this is your research. You want to do it, you love it, and that's why your answer is biased. Then there will be a problem. So we have to do a cross check. And even if you are not able to do a cross check, because each and every points will need a lot of discussion, keep your guide in loop. That's why we have created this groups also, which have other point of views to address it, or you can say people can see it from other point of view. Have a discussion with them regarding your research problem and then proceed further. OK, so this problem, sometimes if you think you are biased, you try to just ask it to someone. So will it be possible to apply the results in practice? Means whatever the results, whatever the proposed results, whatever the hypothetical results you are going to get, would that be possible to replicate it? Would that be possible to apply it to the entire world? Or would that be possible to for any research organization or country or some company or a group of people to use it for their good? So that is again one thing. Does the research contribute to the science of the education, or does it contributes towards the knowledge, existing knowledge? Will the research opt new problems and lead to the further research? So are there any scope of further studies which you might not have done? So is it giving any guidelines to others to do further research? So is the research problem really important? Will you be proud of the results? So this is proud is one of the very most important thing which should drive you. That you must feel proud. When you will feel proud? When you really have got certain things which are foremost important, so important for the society, for the organization, for the nation, that you feel proud. And if you feel proud of your work, definitely you are going to get some reward from somewhere. This is for sure. Okay, so it has to be seen from that point of view. Further, is there enough scope left within the area of the research, or it has already exhausted? So will you be able to handle the research problem? Okay, will it be practically possible to undertake this research? Sometimes it is not possible, it is not feasible. Will it be possible for another researcher to repeat the research? And is the research free of any ethical problems or limitations? So this is again one of the most important problem which you have to address. So these are the checklists. There can be other questions also in the same checklist too, but this is a general checklist which one person should actually identify, putting it in their research, that is it possible to just see it from this point of view or not? Okay, so this is the extensive checklist, right? So this is all for today. Yeah, I'm open for the discussion now further. Yes, so I hope I have actually formally given you certain idea about how we have to formulate a research problem. So there are various aspects of it. There are various things which we have to think of before implementing, or before identifying, or you can say before selecting a research problem. Even you have identified, you may not select it. Why? Because it may not lead to, or it may not be possible for you to do the research. In such a situation, drop those things which you are not able to do. इसमें जिद करने वाली कोई बात नहीं है. Don't be stubborn that no, I will do it. You will spoil yourself also, and after some time you will get frustrated too. And life is to have fun. Life is another name of happiness. It is not a name of frustration. Okay. और एक मेरी गुजारिश और है, कुछ दूसरों के लिए भी छोड़ दिया कीजिए. Right? So be satisfied of what you will be doing. Don't try to do it yourself, and that too in one research. And even if you have very big ambitions, do it, but finish your PhD first. Then your research thing will start only afterwards. Once you will do this PhD, then you will be able to know how I have to proceed further with my other research things. And that will give you a great ground and background also, in order to proceed further with the research. Yeah, any question from any of you?
Sir, can you just repeat that 5 W's in order, just once?
Why not? It's already with me, no problem. You can just have a look of that anytime. Take a screenshot of this, because this will be very important for you, because this is an assignment also. Don't worry, I will be giving it to you in assignment part also. But meanwhile, you can just take a click of it.
And sir, what we need to do in this assignment is, sir, we have to describe each and every question with our collaborators.
Yeah, in light of what you have done.
Okay, sir. Okay.
We are yet to be graded for our first assignment, I guess.
I will give you the grades in this week itself. Maybe today you will get.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
I was a bit occupied somewhere, Now I'm free. So I thought that freely I will do it because it needs time and energy and the mind also. And there are 170 assignments to be evaluated.
Sure.
Right? So,
sir, can we get this slide? Can you share it on the team?
oh, why not? This is for you only. I will do it. Whatever I have prepared till date, I will just put it on the group itself, our group, our not only our WhatsApp group. There also you will get it. In Teams itself, there is one section where the things are to be uploaded. You know that?
Yes.
I show it to
Yes,
you?
sir. Yes,
मालूम
sir.
है ना वो क्लास नोट्स का एक वो सेक्शन है वहाँ आप देख सकते हैं ठीक है ना
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
Anu
sir.
Prakash,
Thank
you
you, sir.
want to say something? Anu ji?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Anu, you are there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you want to say something, I suppose?
Sir, actually, I want this PPTs.
PPTs are always for you, no problem. Okay. My all resources belongs to all of my scholars. So everything, I also belong to you.
Today's lecture is very informative, sir.
Whenever you definitely will get it. Today itself you will get it, right? So whenever, whatever you want, I am always there wholeheartedly. Okay, tan man dhan se आप लोगों के साथ में है. So howsoever, whatsoever you want to access me, please do it. No problem. It's all yours. Fine.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Anything else? Any query or anything you want to ask? बताइए. बट एक ही चीज है, मुझे आउटकम एक ही चाहिए. आप लोगों की गुरु दक्षिणा एक ही है. बहुत बढ़िया पेपर इस 6 months के एंड तक लिख के मुझे दिखाना है और पब्लिश करना है. ठीक है. तो दैट इज व्हाट इज, अदरवाइज मेरे इतने एफर्ट्स लगाने का कोई बेनिफिट नहीं होगा. दैट आई वांट टू सी जस्ट हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स जितने भी हैं सबको एक एक पेपर लिखना ही है. दिस इज फॉर श्योर एंड आई एम आउटराइटली देयर विद यू. आपको मेरी कोई भी मदद चाहिए, आपको मेरा कंट्रीब्यूशन चाहिए, मैं करने को तैयार हूं. और इवन आप लोगों के साथ ऑथर भी करने को तैयार हूं. इफ यू वांट, आई विल बी हैप्पी फॉर दैट. So, but the thing is that a commitment is needed for that. मेरे साथ काम करना थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है, मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको. बट एक चीज है, अगर आप जुड़ गए ना तो काम होके रहेगा, ये तय है.
I am ready.
Fine, most welcome. Right. So in these lines itself, if you want to contact me for this purpose too, I'm ready with you. Right. Fine, guys. So yeah. Anything? Anyone else?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, actually, I wanted to know regarding that Coursera courses. So we have submitted for 2 electives, right? So how do we select from Coursera? में तो सर बहुत सारे courses हैं.
आपको जो अच्छा लगता है सिलेक्ट कीजिए, अपने गाइड से बात कीजिए. इसके बारे में मैं ज्यादा नहीं बता पाऊंगा.
अच्छा, ओके सर. है
ना, वो आपके, क्योंकि आपके गाइड ने आपका वो बनाया है ना कि कौन कौन सा पेपर आपको करना है.
जी
है ना, तो आपके गाइड आपको ज्यादा अच्छे से गाइड कर पाएंगे इसके लिए. लेकिन
ऐसा भी मतलब कुछ बच्चों के गाइड्स ने बोल दिया तो दे आर अटेंडिंग एमटेक क्लासेस इंस्टेड ऑफ कोर्सेरा.
हाँ, तो मैं आपको बता दूं, कोर्सेरा के कोर्सेज भी यहाँ पर अगर हमारे बोर्ड ऑफ स्टडीज से अप्रूव होता है तभी आप कर सकते हो. लेकिन what I tell you is that, what I suggest you to all of you is that whether the Coursera courses are in your syllabus or not, please at least do 2-3 courses from there. अरे ऐसी फैसिलिटी कोई यूनिवर्सिटी नहीं देती है यार. आपको 5-6 हजार रुपए, 7 हजार रुपए के कोर्स जो है वो फ्री में करने को मिल रहा है. एंड यू विल गेट द सर्टिफिकेट एंड दैट यू कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर एवर विद यू. इट विल बी विद यू फॉर एवर. व्हाट एल्स यू वांट? आपको मालूम है मैंने अभी तक 12 कोर्सेज कर लिए. 12 कोर्सेज आई हैव डन. यस
सर, आई हैव अ क्वेरी.
मेरे रूम में कोई आएंगे तो मैं बताऊंगा. ये सामने सबके सर्टिफिकेट चिपका रखे, विच मोटिवेट्स मी टू डू मोर. इधर लगे हुए सामने. तो इफ यू गेट टाइम समटाइम्स विजिट मी, आई विल जस्ट टेल यू व्हाट आई कीप ऑन डूइंग. इधर मेरा ये जो बोर्ड है, इफ यू सी दिस, देख रहे हो, इस पे लिखा हुआ है थिंग्स टू डू, क्या कैसे करने का है. तो आई कीप ऑन डूइंग एंड आई पुश माई सेल्फ. मैं क्या करता हूँ, मैं आपको एक सीक्रेट बताता हूँ. मैं क्या करता हूँ, जो चीज मुझे नहीं आती होती ना, उसकी मैं 2 महीने बाद की एक वर्कशॉप रख लेता हूँ कि मुझे डिलीवर करनी है. अब डिलीवर करनी है तो सीखनी पड़ेगी ना. So that actually creates, that makes me unstable, and I do it, and I keep on. मैं एक ही topic पे बार बार नहीं बोलता हूँ. I keep on doing, I keep on progressing. So this is the secret. So you can also implement it. That now I have already given you a chance to implement it. वो expert lectures है ना, आपको मैंने दिया ना expert lectures, उसमें कोई ऐसा चीज बताइए जो आपको सीख के करना हो.
मैंने यही किया
ऐसे मत छोड़िए, सीखिए, फिर कीजिए, फिर आप देखिएगा आपको वो चीज आ भी जाएगी और आपका एक्सपर्ट लेक्चर इतना बढ़िया होगा कि मजा आ जाएगा. ओके, सो दैट इज Rama Sharma या Rama Sharma, what is that? Please you please unmute yourself and talk to us. रमा है शायद. या रमा जी बोलिए, आपने हाथ खड़ा किया है, माइक भी अनम्यूटेड है पर आवाज नहीं आ रही है और आपका वीडियो भी नहीं है. रमा जी नहीं आई ना आवाज. हाँ बताइए, बोलिए. चलिए आप ग्रुप पे डालिएगा. ओके गाइज, so with these words we will end up. The entire week is there to think and do the assignments. I will put the assignments on that, and soon I will, and today or we will get the grades also, right? Yeah, Amit Sharma ji, आप मुझे फोन कीजिए. Amit Sharma, are you there? Amit ji, हाँ Amit ji, please call me after the class, right? Deepak ji has also come up for some, I don't know what. Anyways, चलिए फिर मिलते हैं अगले हफ्ते. और अच्छा एक चीज और, जो इस हफ्ते में कोई एक क्लास और लेना था, we can just finish off certain things. Who will be able to identify that slot for me? Jayati and Yashasvi, should I rely you for that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes. Where is Yashasvi? Yashasvi? Yeah, both of you.
Yes, sir.
Just identify a slot which should not be a slot for anyone else class. May it be any time, and the slot should be, you know, equally acceptable by all. Okay, you can use our group for that. Be offensive when somebody says something on the group, na? Don't feel offensive about it. The group is equally for everyone to speak, and anything. You can put jokes also, no problem. Right? You can put anything on that. This totally belongs. If I will keep, if I'll restrict you, na, your creativity will go. No problem. Whosoever wants, आपको नहीं देखना है तो delete मारो ना यार. कोई किसी को तो पसंद आएगा, कोई तो हंसेगा उस पर, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. So, मैं तो सभी के मैसेज पढ़ता हूँ, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. और उसके लिए उसमें कोई टाइम कंजम्पशन नहीं होता है. टाइम हम लोग बहुत जगह वेस्ट भी करते हैं. यहाँ पे कुछ अच्छी चीज आ रही तो देख ले, और वैसे भी काफी काम की चीजें आती है उस ग्रुप पे. ओके, सो अच्छा यही है कि किसी को अपने को क्रिटिसाइज नहीं करना है और सबको साथ में लेके चलना है. एंड लेट अस जस्ट हैव अ ग्रेट एनवायरनमेंट सो दैट वी कैन डू ग्रेट रिसर्च. शालिनी जी, सही है कि नहीं?
राइट सर.
यस.
यस
सो ठीक है, आई विल बी वेटिंग फॉर यशस्वी एंड Jayati to just give us a slot, and today also it has to happen within before the lunch. Would you be able to do it, or should I give you time till evening? क्योंकि आज का अगर slot होगा तो आज चला जाएगा.
Sir, till evening.
ठीक है, तो इसका मतलब टाइम मिलने वाला है वेंसडे से लेकर सैटरडे तक का. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, no problem. Right? Take care all of you.
We have to arrange one class, no? We have to arrange one class. Two more class, no?
2 classes.
Okay.
2 classes this week, 2 classes next week.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
नहीं तो विंटर वेकेशन बिगड़ता है ना आपका. मेरा भी जाता है.
So in winter, sir, the sleep is endless, but still, sir, we have to manage.
No, don't worry. We will be having the expert lectures started. ऐसा नहीं है, लेकिन ये एकेडमिक वाला जो पोर्शन है ना, वो नहीं होगा. लेकिन वो एक्सपर्ट लेक्चर we will start. मनोज जी आज है नहीं तो I would have ignited it from today itself. He will be the first person to give. Yes. Right, guys? Okay, thank you. Have a nice time. So we'll just
thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Download the attendance.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Take care. Switching off your recording also. Recording देख रहे हो आप लोग उस पे YouTube पे?
Yes, sir.
मिस होता है तो आप recording YouTube पे देख सकते हो.
हाँ सर.
Yeah, subscribe it, and I keep on adding many other videos which are especially on research. Right. Take care. Bye bye. See you.
Bye, sir. Thanks.
Bye, sir. Have a nice day.
Bye-bye.